all the time. Oh, no.
His name is Roman the Narcissus Torner. He can see his reflection in the fridge.
Here, let's get this army in
but
there.
alas, it doesn't do anything but look back. Look at that cute boy.
Here, we got that arm through. Here, Todd, you can do it.
Interesting. Roman, did you just find the refrigerator?
Found the refrigerator.
Bonk.
I'll let you figure it out.
Bonk. Bonk. His mouth is...
Are you bonking your head again?
You gotta see this. It's just so funny. Bonk. He just bonked his head again. He keeps like looking at himself.
There's a baby in there.
Bonk. We're gonna have to open the door to get the salad dressing, so fun's almost over.
Oh, jeez. You want to come sit with us? Huh? Oh, man, you're a chump.
I'm in the 50th percentile, Grandfather. I am not chunky. I am normal.
You're a healthy boy.
There we go.